everybody, it's me again, although I'm actually very depressed. You see, ever since I posted my last vlog, I've had nothing but bad luck. To begin with, yesterday when I took my jeans off about 11 o'clock last night, I realised that I had a big chocolate stain right on the bum. Secondly, we've ran out of Angel Delight. All we have left is this crappy Tesco's own brand stuff. Finally, as I was walking home from work today, a bird did a big poo right on my head. Oh well, it could always be worse. I mean, I could always be this guy.
The station of Canadian brown finches, which is a small I guess I should have seen that one coming, huh?
My favourite part of the video? The awesome noise he makes. Didn't catch it? Let's watch it again in slow-mo. In other news, guess what tomorrow is? It's my half birthday. Now when you're watching this, you're probably thinking, half birthday? Who on earth is she, the Queen of Sheba? I'll let you know, I'm not the Queen. And I'm not a posh kid either. I just basically want an excuse to have a picnic, because I love picnics. Does that make me really sad? Now, on to quite a serious point. Seriously. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to you. Thank you for the subscriptions, thank you for the ratings, thank you for the comments, and thank you for the tweets. I'm very proud to say that I have a total of 21 subscriptions! Although 21 is actually my unlucky number. But still, I'm not complaining. As a little treat to say thank you to you all, I've got a great clip of Susan Boyle here. And it will make you laugh, because it's got Holly Steele in it. I didn't mean it. Don't sue me. Subscribe, if not you may be Susan Boyle's next victim.